All right, guys, we got a 2020 Ford F-150 with the 5.0 Coyote. It's got a stage 1 tune, E85, and long tube headers there and there. He drove all the way from California, guys, so we appreciate him. He's going to Florida, and he said, I got to stop by Exhaust Addicts, so we really appreciate him coming down. He's been a longtime fan, so we appreciate it very much. Here's the long tube headers that he has installed somewhere else. And then there's the Y pipe setup right there. It is catless. We didn't touch any of this, so to let you guys know, we didn't do any of this. The only thing we did, so it was ran 3-inch with a MagnaFlow, but the MagnaFlow was blown out. So we took it out, ran 3-inch, and put a Dynomax race bullet, part number 24215, right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then ran 3-inch out the side, and put a Natami dual 4-inch black tip to complete the look. Clean, man, just really nice. And you guys can see it's got custom wheels, nice tires, a really nice truck, really clean, really well taken care of. 2020 Ford F-150 5.0, side exit, long tube headers, Dynomax race bullet. What do you think? A lot louder than that? Way off. 128, dude. That's insane. I can't even stay in the room, guys. It's so loud. I can't even stay inside the shop. Wow, my ears. That is insane. Wow. Again? 127. Wow. I want to stand beside it, but I don't want to at the same time. It's too loud. Go ahead and back it up. You see the Natami tips? They look really nice. Look at that. Clean. Beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Like, comment, all that good stuff. Here we go. Sound. That's mine. Is that yours? I think it's mine. That's awesome. He's cussing. I love it. One more time. My ears, man. Wow. Yeah. You see when the owner's like that means he likes it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. My guy was only revving it to 3,000 RPM. Rev it harder! Wow, this sounds phenomenal, guys. Wow, it's the only way to go on these. Don't you guys agree? Dynomax bullet out the side, 4-inch tips. Just crazy. 127, probably 130 in RPMs. Beautiful, you can still hear it. Wow.